There are animals in the forest that are harassing someone. The Jindo dog was angry. The Jindo dog ran right away. When he arrived, the raccoon started to run away.
Thank you.
One day, the Jindo dog heard a bird screaming. He starts running again. He found a baby bird that had fallen from its nest and placed it back on the nest.
Thank you.
When it rains in the forest, an accident is sure to happen. The rabbit was swept away by the water. The Jindo dog, looking for a way, he ran to the rabbit with a stick in his mouth.
Thank you. Thank you.
In that way, he was becoming a little guardian of the forest.